Hi. I am I'm packing. I am getting ready to head out to the woods with Simba. I have this packing list so I don't forget anything. My first point here is electronics. I have both computers, my working computer and charger and a router, so I can go on the internet when I'm out camping if I want to upload a video out there, and all the GoPro stuff. Okay. I also have another point here. In there is my notebook. I write ideas for YouTube in that one. My glasses, stuff to write with. This one will be in here too, my calendar. Yes. Then we have all of Simba's stuff. We have a towel dedicated for him. It's good to have if it's raining. We have his food and a scale to weigh the food. This is Simba's food. Oh, it's getting hot. It's that time of life. His food, a scale to weigh it, his balls are out there, a scissor, it's always good. If you need to cut some hair or anything. This one, brush him, his running harness, his normal harness is out in the car. I have an emergency lifting harness in my running bag. It's this one. It's also on my packing list. If I go out on long hikes with Simba, I always bring this one. It's like it's a lifting harness. So if anything happens to Simba, I can fold this out, put him in it, and carry him. So this one is always with me. Yeah, and also just a little fold-up cup. Also nice to have with us in case I need to reach for water for him and he can't reach it for himself. He might be a spoiled little dog. So that was electronics and all of Simba's stuff. Then I have a point here called food. Pack all that. I usually bring some pre-cooked food, and if it's a short little camping trip to the woods, I bring pre-cooked food. But I might also bring some not pre-cooked food. So I have the here cooked food, salt, pepper, coffee and water. Coffee, very important. Salt, stuff to make the coffee with. I make the coffee like this, pour over coffee, and the cup for it, I always bring some paper towels, toilet paper, but that was not in the food category here. Yeah, just food. I'll just put my pre-cooked food out in the fridge in the car. Yeah, just it's always like this. It's always like total chaos, so it's good I have a list. Here we have the box for all the different stuff and food stuff. This is it's also on here. It's my forks and spoons and all of that. I got this from my husband. Very nice little practical thing. Put all of this down here again. Oh yes. It's also on my list, baby wipes. It's a total hack. When you want to clean your hands, when you want to clean yourself, if you don't want to wash yourself in a stream or a lake or something like that, I like to do that. But if I don't have access to running water or a lake, I use baby wipes. And a headlamp, always a good thing, especially this time of year. So, yep, all the coffee stuff, putting it down here, salt for the food. This one is also on my list here on different stuff. This is an alarm for now that it's getting colder during the nights. I want to have the heater going during the night, and this one sets off an alarm if there's any gas or anything in the car. Exhaust maybe from the heater. We had an incident with the first heater we bought was a very cheap one, a real China heater, and on our summer vacation up to the Nordic mountains, we don't know what happened, but it broke. So instead of all the exhaust getting out of the car, out of the exhaust, all the exhaust got into the Alu-Cab. So there was exhaust all over inside, so it was not good. So we didn't have a heater on the very cold mountains of Norway. So that was not good. So when we got home, we bought another better heater. But we also bought this one in case any exhausts gets in the car when we are sleeping. So that's a good one to have. Yep. Then I have a category that's running and hiking things. I have my sandals. I have trail shoes. I have this running bag mentioned before. Soft bottles, good thing to have. Just fill them up with water, and when you're done you can just do like that and they take up almost no space in the backpack. Oh. Okay. That one. Normal clothes and shoes. Normal clothes are here, and also all my running clothes are here. Rain clothes. Yeah, it's all there. I have my toiletries. Then I have a point here that's called Overlanding gear. It says a saw, an axe, a compressor, and a tree hugger. That's all out in the car. And that's actually it. Oh no, it also says, yeah, chair. I need to pack the chair. It's not in the car right now. Electronics, Simba's stuff, food, running hiking stuff, normal hiking, normal clothes and shoes, all the different stuff. Yeah, also my my bed stuff. I have a big, very soft mattress I put on top of the mattresses out in the Alu-Cab because I like that. And my sleeping bag and my pillow, I need to pack that also. And that's it. That's not it. I have this box also. I totally forgot the last point here. My pan, my spoonful pan, my trunk here set with this burner, which I can put this together, and I can make food with this. It's propane. Just looked it up. This is called propane in English. But anyway, if I want to make food, I can do it with this and a lighter and a knife. Good to have. Also, I don't have any water tank in the Alu-Cab. I use these 10-liter water jugs instead. I like the idea that if it gets dirty inside, I can just change this to a new one. That's a bit difficult if you have the water tank installed in the car. I calculate 5 liters per day. Simba uses a lot of water. I give him fresh water and then throw a lot of water away. And also just for washing my hands and making coffee and drinking a lot of water. And so Simba and I use a lot of water. Here in Sweden, it's very practical that every church has clean water and usually also a toilet accessible, so you can just drive by a church somewhere and fill up these water jugs. Also the gas stations have water, so it's very easy to find clean water everywhere here in Sweden. Up in the mountains you can drink the water directly from the streams. It's that clean. So I think I packed it all. Total chaos in there, as always. And the most important, Simba. Yeah. Well, that's it. All packed, ready to go. Let me know if I forgot anything. What do you usually pack? Is there anything important I miss? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.